Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will see the air filter, which is located at the top right of the engine compartment on the windscreen bay. Take out the waterproofing joint on the windscreen bay by pulling it upwards from one end to the other. Remove the first air filter cover. Using a ratchet, an extension and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screws on the second cover. Then unscrew the plastic nut holding the cover. Lift the windscreen bay slightly and remove the cover. Using a ratchet and a Phillips socket, unscrew the two screws of the air filter cover. Then remove it. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean up the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take off the filter from the plastic rack. Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Insert the whole thing into the compartment. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. Reposition the cover, taking care to put the lugs into their positions. Then screw back the two retaining screws and the plastic nut. Put the cover back in place. Then the sealing strip. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.